Hey everyone, welcome to my review of the self-cleaning cat litter box called Pura Max by Petkit. Inside this video, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know about the Pura Max, including unboxing, what's included, how to set up the Pura Max, all the different features and uses of this litter box, as well as my overall thoughts and opinions at the end of this video. First things first, let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Now, the Pura Max litter box was way bigger than I expected, and it came in this ginormous box. I went ahead and cut open the box, and I was greeted with a bunch of other accessories I didn't expect to get inside this box, but made the whole experience even better. I took out all the accessories and supplies from the box, and I noticed that everything here is enough supplies to last me for 10 months for our one cat Banjo. Inside the box, of course, is the Pura Max self-cleaning litter box itself. Then we also had a charger, a cat litter remover. So this is when you want to change out the litter, you can just attach this to the back, and I will show you all the ins and outs of this machine later in this video. Then we had the air purifier kit. Now this is a kit in and of itself, so it comes with batteries and 2 bottles of air purifying liquid. We also had 20 trash bags, which is enough for 10 months because it's recommended that you switch them out every 15 days for one cat. Then of course we had the instruction manual, which is really easy to follow, and there was some prompts that would take you to videos that you could watch to learn how to set up the Pura Max. Then there was this neat little honeycomb attachment that you use if you're going to be putting in clay litter, because it just has smaller holes and it's going to clean the litter box a whole lot easier. There was also a litter mat that easily and simply collects litter, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up litter around the Pura Max. And lastly, we had a bunch of fun little stickers. Now I was sent this by Pura Max to test inside this video, and after my initial testing, my honest opinion of the Petkit Pura Max is that this thing is a high quality, advanced self-cleaning litter box. We've personally just used a standard litter box for the entire lifespan of our cat Banjo, so testing out something like this was a huge excitement for me. Now the setup process was extremely easy for the Petkit Pura Max. First things first, all I had to do was just make sure I laid it down on flat, solid ground, so anything like tile, wood floors would do, but not carpet. Then I went ahead and set up the litter mat, which is really cool because it has a pocket, so all you have to do is just shake the litter and then just dump out the pocket into the trash can. It was really easy to set up the litter pad. There was 2 stickers on each side, and I just firmly pressed on the ground and it stayed no problem. After that, it was time for me to set up the air purifier spray. I love that it came separate from the Pura Max, and it was really simple to install. All I had to do was put in a few batteries and then just take one of the liquid sprays, twist it into the top, and then we simply just added the hook and installed it to the side of the Pura Max. A cool thing to note about the air purifier is it actually connects via Bluetooth to the app, so it will run automatically or periodically, however you want to set it up. Next, it was time for me to install a trash bag inside of the waste bin, and that was really simple. You just pop off the top, install the trash bag around the corners, and then just slip the waste bin back in, closing it and locking it up. After all that initial setup came the fun part. I went ahead and plugged in the Pura Max and poured in some litter. I was using the Petkit mixed litter bag, and I simply just dumped in about 2/3 of this bag, filling it up just below the max line because you want to make sure you don't go over that line. And then on the machine, I just hit OK twice, and it actually would level out the cat litter automatically so that when my cat starts using this, it's not going to be all lumpy underneath his feet. After that, the Pura Max was set up completely and ready to go. All I had to do next was just install the app and connect it to my Pura Max, as well as the odor remover spray. It was a very easy setup. All I had to do was just simply hold my phone next to the machine and it set it up all on its own. There's a ton of cool features inside of the app, including creating a pet account for your pet, as well as being able to see how many times your pet used the bathroom, for how long, and how much your pet weighs. Overall, I really do love the Petkit Pura Max cat litter box. In my opinion, it's kind of like a futuristic robot cat litter box that does everything automatically for you and removes the process of having to scoop out waste from a litter box. It's very accurate at adding waste to the waste bin, and all you have to do is just simply remove the waste with the installed trash bag, and there's no mess involved. I love that there's tons of space for my cat because he is a little bit of a larger cat and he needs that extra space. Also, the setup process and the app use is very simple and easy to understand. After testing out the Pura Max by Petkit, I don't think I could go back to normal standard litter boxes, because this is definitely a treat because my wife and I never have to clean up waste again. In conclusion, I would recommend the Petkit Pura Max cat litter box. The self-cleaning features are a huge plus in my opinion, and it's just so simple to use, set up, and Banjo really does enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helps.